would you guys consider the worst movie ever made?
The worst movie ever made?
Oh God. How many movies has Tom Cruise been in? I'll judge this.
Wow.
Worst movie ever made.
The Room is pretty bad if you have not seen it.
The Room?
The Room is pretty
When The
bad.
Room is so bad you laugh that it becomes a comedy.
Yeah.
So
See, that's the thing about The Room.
that's
The
the
Room
thing.
is so bad.
You laugh at it, so
Yeah.
you enjoy it.
So, I want to say that,
Worst movie. Actually, there's a movie on Netflix. It's like 2307. It is. I tried watching it to the end 4 times, and I can't.
Really?
I can't.
I want to, worst movie ever. Worst movie in what way? Like, worst
Worst
To
that you
you.
can't even watch.
To you.
Like,
To you, it ain't got to be
Wow.
no classification. It could be
Yeah.
a B movie that you just was like, I'm not in B movies as I thought I was because this is terrible. Or you're just somebody who hyped the movie up and you watch it like, this is trash. What you got to talk about? Anything to you.
Give me a minute, because I remember
Yeah,
there was a
take
movie in the 80s.
I'm thinking of some shit.
There was a lot of B movie horrors that were really bad, dude.
Yeah, but you
Matter of
expect
fact,
B movie
wait, matter of
horrors to
fact-
be bad though. Like,
Wait, matter of fact,
That's the
I'm gonna put.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't count a B movie because,
they're B movies.
yeah.
Yeah.
They're already started underneath the totem pole, so like you can't really give them a
that's kind of like
chance.
an easy out.
Yeah.
Everybody moving, easy out.
Wait, you know what? I'm gonna put this out there. What was the name? There was Gene Simmons' wife, Shannon Tweed. Thank you. I just really went to the left. on
Dude,
that
all she did was like B-rate porn
one.
movies.
Here's what I gotta say. Any movie that she started was really bad because it was.
No, it was not, because she was always topless getting
No,
banged
no,
out
no,
by
no,
dudes.
no. This is what I'm saying.
Don't
If you want to talk about classification, like you're not. I do not know any man who has actually watched that movie all the way through. Any of
The
them.
movie again?
Any of them from Shannon Tweed. Think about it.
Dude, there's like a whole fucking
You've never seen
nation out there.
You have
Tweet
never-
followers.
You think so?
Dude, I know so.
Really?
I
She got fans like that?
She
Really?
You
I
could probably have a convention if she probably does.
Yeah, if she really wanted to, she got her own convention, sell out that shit, have motherfuckers outside trying to still get in.
Shannon Tweed convention.
Dude,
Oh my God.
she was like the soft porn queen. She is considered the soft porn queen of the world.
I would say.
She's been in more soft porn.
Queen.
She no, if you look her up,
Quite
she's been in
fine.
more soft porn movies than anybody in the world. She is
Damn.
a legend.
Hold on. Let's
She is a
Wikipedia
legend.
that. Just like out of sheer curiosity now.
Respect the Tweed.
Respect the tweet. I guess we have a fan.
That's great.
Dude, we all seen those movies, bro. It was like Skinemax, like late nights.
Or
No.
USA
You was up all night, man. Come on now.
With Rhonda. Yes, I remember.
What was her name?
Shannon?
No. Rhonda, right?
Rhonda. Yep.
With Rousey? She was
No, she was the host of Up All Night. She was Elvira.
Yeah, that was awesome.
That was my B movie introduction and source.
I saw a lot of my my 80s B movies from there. I saw House. I saw.
She didn't age
No.
You see? Oh hell no, she got jobs. She got something
Not
to
good
do.
job.
She
Yeah.
got something alive.
Like somebody took a fucking cinder block to the face.
This is selected filmography. They didn't give her her whole filmography.
Pretty long though.
Dude,
like,
she's
you're
been.
scrolling.
All of them are soft porn. Not one of them is real.
Let's see. Hold on. Let's go. Hot Dog, the movie. The Surrogate, Steel Justice, Cannibal Women in the Avocado Jungle of Death.
That was a good one.
Why avocado?
I have no idea. Night Visitor, Last Call, In the Cold of the Night, The Naked Truth, Night Eyes, Sexual Response, Night Rhythms, Cold Sweat, Night Eyes 3, there was a trilogy, Indecent Behavior. Dude, I don't think I know any of these.
Dude, I'm telling you, she's like the soft porn queen.
Well, she went all the way to 2001 with Dead Sexy.
Well, I mean, at some point you gotta retire, right?
Damn. Okay, there she goes. All right, so then honestly for me, if I had to really, really, truly pick, because I could think of one and it's always The Room. Dude, have you attempted to see it?
No.
It's,
Is that the one time we saw or whatever?
yes.
That wasn't-
It
that's
really
not-
is that bad.
Nah, that sounds like something I wouldn't waste my time. But I one day I'll check it out.
What would you say? Well, okay, how about this one? What bad movie is good for you? Like, what's the movie that you're like, damn, this movie, if I show this to anybody, they'll be like, damn, this movie sucks, but I like it. I have one.
I can name you like 4.
Go.
My go-to, Big Trouble in Little China. If you play that to
No,
somebody,
that's good.
Nah,
That's
you play
good.
that to somebody, they'd be like, "Why do you like this?"
Get the hell out of here.
I guarantee it.
If there's anybody
You
who
would test.
hates Big Trouble in Little China, please contact us. I want to hear your reasons. Omar,
Yeah.
you've seen it?
Oh, I got.
I seen it. I like it.
I like it. I don't see nothing
But I
wrong
think
with
it's
it.
for us because we grew up on it and it's different.
No, because I've seen The Running Man and I think that movie sucks.
I enjoyed
Like,
it.
I enjoyed it back when
At
I was
the
a
time,
kid.
yeah.
Have you gone back to see it? Don't. It'll ruin your perception of the
It's
movie.
great. Maria Conchita Alonso.
I'm not saying the actors, but actually the actors too. I'm sure it was bad. You've seen it when you were a kid. You've never gone back. Don't
I've
go
seen
back.
it.
I haven't. I've gone back maybe 3 or 4 years ago and completely ruined the perception of that movie for me. Yeah, it was really bad. It was really
Alright,
bad.
So, Big Trouble in Little China, Killer Clowns from Outer Space.
That's a great movie. Nah, fuck that. That's a great movie.
Yeah.
You know, you
That's
That's
so
a
that's
great
so
movie,
bad. It's
bro.
good
try
though.
playing that to somebody.
I'll watch it. I watch it every time it's on fucking TV.
No, I agree. I'm like, I love it, but
Okay,
I'm
what's
like,
the other
that's
one?
kind of like a period piece for us. Like,
For the record, Killer Clowns from Outer Space, and I
based on a
believe
true
it.
story.
And I believe
based on a true
You're
story.
stupid. I believe it is on Netflix. I think it's on
If
Netflix.
it is, you should check it out.
Hold on, I'm
tonight.
pretty sure I saw it on
With your
Netflix or
significant
Amazon.
other or your side chick. Either one of
We
them.
got that. We got Toxic Avenger 1 through 3.
Hey, no, you can't. Toxic Avenger
No, man.
is a legendary B
Excuse
movie.
me. Yeah, it's such a legend. It's a trilogy.
It's a
dude.
trilogy.
Oh, I know that.
There's literally like
Try.
they still tour like the horror conventions.
Yeah, I was watching Collider Heroes on YouTube. And they interviewed Schnepp interviewed the head of Tromaville.
Tromaville. What's his name? The guy who works over here. He his best friend is the head.
Yeah, he works.
That was interesting. He's a funny
Oh
guy.
God, what's his name?
Yeah,
No,
but let me think. Can I think of one more?
See, that's the thing. One real film that people will ask you, why the hell are you watching this?
I would go and say while you think of your fourth, I would say there was a movie called In the Mouth of Madness. If you've never, Sam Neill. I think it's a Clive Barker movie. It was really bad and really good at the same time. Another one I would say will probably be Event Horizon because a lot of people just like wouldn't.
People hate that movie.
I've met people, bro. I've met people who hated that movie.
But again, I guess that's a period.
But is it? It's more like it's like mid '90s.
But it's a period
Really?
piece. Like
You ever
if
seen
you
it?
weren't around, if you were a certain age at
Yeah.
that time, you loved it.
Yeah.
If you missed that window, you're like, what is this? Because it's so much better.
I've actually gone back to it and it actually holds up pretty decent. It's not. It
Yeah.
doesn't hold up horrible.
Decent, yeah.
Yeah, it hasn't deteriorated as fast as I thought it was going to
I
deteriorate.
mean,
Put it like that.
still better than Cloverfield Paradox.
You know what?
I don't know.
I enjoyed it, but it
For the
was
record-
like,
for the
this-
record-
Set the thing. Like it gave me a background to understand the other movies,
You guys,
but I didn't like the other movies anyway. So it's like,
the way you guys described it to me did not make me want to see
I
it.
enjoyed it, but it just seemed like
I enjoyed the original Cloverfield.
where did the budget get cut? Because it just seemed like after a while,
it wasn't.
the
You
stuff
know,
was
it
just
wasn't. It
thrown
wasn't even the
together and
budget. I
fast
think it was the story. They took a script and
Try
they,
to throw everything in it.
they tried to throw everything in it, and it was so muddled and confusing and just not thought out.
And that's the problem.
I
It
think-
definitely had
because
a
the
rent
quality was
feel
there.
to it, but then
The quality was there.
Yeah,
but
the
just-
quality, yeah. But then it gets, and then
The rest of it
goes
wasn't.
back to
Yeah. The acting wasn't.
kind of, not
yeah.
even like. But there's another Cloverfield movie coming out
Already
in
works.
fall of October on Netflix.
Yeah,
But Netflix or theaters?
Netflix.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
we'll see.
Yeah, I mean,
Don't
Oh,
matter.
that's a movie. I actually Cloverfield, the original. I hated it,
really.
and a lot of people hated it because you know why? It made them sick. They couldn't watch it
Wait, but why did you hate
Camera,
it?
yeah.
I want to hear why you hate
because
it.
I couldn't see anything in focus. Everything was fucking out of focus.
Okay.
Like if I can't see it,
Cinematography.
Yeah.
fuck out of here. Why the fuck am I gonna
Cinematography.
sit there and watch this shit?
Yeah.
Interesting.
But I'm
I
not.
get you.
But there's a lot of people who I told that movie like I hate that movie because of the fact that they can't watch a movie they can't see.
Oh, okay,
Like,
okay.
It's like saying going to a concert, but the fucking speakers keep cutting in and out. Why the fuck am I at a concert when I can't even hear the speakers? Same thing on a visual.
You know what's funny? For me, I didn't have a problem with it.
Yeah, I see why, but it's not like it's
Like-
not like,
like-
it's my
like,
favorite movie. But
I think
enjoyed it.
you saying that is a very technical thing. I
Dude, it's not even technical. People who are not even filmmaker.
No,
Like my girl, she hates that movie because it literally made her sick. She walked out of the theater.
Right,
she
no, there was a
sick.
lot of people that did that. There was a lot of
If your
people
movie's that bad, we make people sick. That's a pretty bad movie, bro.
A
Pretty
lot of
bad
people,
movie,
a
bro.
lot of people went to that movie after the news.
A lot of these people who I know,
remember that.
a lot of people who I know who saw this and Two Girls, One Cup have sat through Two Girls One Cup, but not through fucking
You-
Cloverfield. That explains to you how fucked up
time out.
Cloverfield is.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you to search for Two Girls One Cup.
You always say that. You're always gonna go search.
But search for Two Girls One Cup. Have you seen it all the way through?
Yes,
Have you seen it all the way through?
unfortunately,
I have not seen it all the way
I,
through.
and that tells you
The
the
moment
guys
it started going in the cup, I was
I lose
done.
my interest quickly. So.
You're really glad you did it that
But
way.
I've only watched like twice. Once.
Why
I
twice?
only
Well,
watched it.
Wait, time out. Why twice?
Because the first time I didn't watch it until they started like I watched the first 30 seconds of it and they're like I don't think I want to watch this, and then I kind of like psyched myself out of it because everybody was making a big deal about you gotta watch this, you gotta watch. I'm like all right, but so I started watching the first 30 seconds and then nothing really happened in the first 30 seconds,
No.
The 31 is.
and then I was like you know what I stopped. Then I was like. And then I was like, have you seen it? I'm like, no, like, just fucking see it. Like, get drunk and see it. So I got drunk and I watched it. I'm like,
I got drunk to see it.
You
yeah, I
had
could
to get,
see it.
dude, you just admitted you had to get drunk to see it.
Yeah.
The first time. The
Damn.
second time, I guess,
The first 30 seconds were great.
After that, not so
Cinematography was
much.
amazing. What questions?
Oh, his worst movie. Oh, he said Cloverfield.
Say Cloverfield, what's mine?
I
Worst
couldn't
movie that I've seen? I don't know. I don't think I come up with one. I turn away from a lot.
Yo,
If I see something going south, I'm like, if I'm at home,
done.
oh, you know what? The third X-Men, easy.
Wow, you know what? Damn right,
But I
bro.
can still watch that
No, I
more
can't.
times than
No,
I
I
can
can't.
watch fucking Cloverfield.
I can't.
Well, yeah, because of the focus and stuff.
I watched The Last Stand. Wait, I watched.
The Last Stand.
I watched The Last Stand in parts.
You didn't like it?
I swear
Which
to
is The Last Stand
God,
again?
when they killed Professor X, I went to see my brother. I'm like, I'm enraged. Everybody's sitting there watching. I'm like, y'all see this shit?
Wait.
I got
which
to
was
get
that
up
one
and walk
again?
out.
Which is The Last Stand?
That was the first Dark Phoenix one.
That was the Famke Janssen. Famke Janssen one.
Yeah, they ruined. They ruined Multiple Man. That was the one
They ruined
the
everybody,
They ruined the Juggernaut.
I think the only one they got right in that was
Beast.
Nobody. Like, oh no, Beast.
Beast
was the only
Beast
one.
Was perfect, but he's wasted in that cotton garbage.
It was bad, man. That was so bad. It was so
Can't be
bad.
worse than Wolverine Origin, right?
You're correct. It can't. No, wait.
It's
maybe-
worse. It's worse.
You know what?
Not by much, but
You
it's
know,
worse.
I can tell you why it's worse, and my
'Cause there's
reasoning
no
behind it.
top-
No,
there's chicks in
it
it?
took me 4 tries to see The Last Stand in section.
It's a lot wrong with
Okay,
the last thing.
Logan, a Wolverine Origins. I saw it in 2 takes. I had to stop halfway to
Dude,
go
that
back.
shit was pretty
So-
It was a little weird.
So for me, I had to watch The Last Stand in 4 parts, and I had to watch Wolverine in 2.
Dude,
There's
that,
my reasons
that,
why.
that pool and that fucking...
Oh, that was terrible. The
Terrible.
Ending, for my thing, it was an okay movie. The ending, what they did with Deadpool, made it like.
I'm glad they gave Reynolds a chance to correct his fucking
Yeah.
mistake. 'Cause
Yeah.
that
But
was hard.
as much as he didn't look it, he nailed it. The Liv Schreiber
sarcasm?
Sabretooth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I loved his Sabretooth.
Yeah.
That was great.
That was a great Sabretooth.
Yeah, that was great Sabretooth. And then
That's
He
what
was
I always
actually
think back
better
to.
than the other one who looked like him. He was just,
Yeah, he was awesome.
A mindless, like.
Oh, with the grown eyes.
Yeah, it's like what the fuck?
Why is the eyes glowing? That's
there's no reason. There's no reason.